Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to invest money on the Revolut app. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and log in to your account. Once you're in, tap on the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can explore different investment options. Before you start investing, you need to add money to your investment account. Tap the plus icon or select Add Money, then choose the account you want to transfer from. Enter the amount you'd like to add. For example, $2, and tap Add Money to confirm. After adding funds, your investment account will be ready to use. You can now explore various assets available inside the Invest section, such as stocks, commodities, and bonds. And that's it. That's how you set up and start investing on the Revolut app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.